Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. I'm going to show you how to upload a material CSV. Okay, so the first thing is that you need to check on your left sidebar that you are on your materials page. Then on the 3 points on the right side, you're going to click on Import CSV. Then drop or click on the file that you want to upload. And the step 2 is to select the columns. Inventora will automatically match the ones that have the same name, but then you need to do this manually. So start matching the columns that have the same information that you want to have in the Inventora columns. Once it is ready, click Upload. Once you click Upload, you will see this message that says Success. So you click Done and you will be able to see all your materials that you just uploaded. A tip: if you're having a hard time seeing the materials that you just uploaded, you can go to the last ordered column. Once you click there, you're going to be able to see the materials that you just uploaded today right on top of your list. That is how you can upload a material CSV to Inventora.